Child custody in Illinois, now legally referred to as the allocation of parental responsibilities, is a critical aspect of family law. It refers to the allocation of decision-making, authority, and parenting time for children in cases of divorce, legal separation, or disputes between unmarried parents. Illinois revised its child custody laws, replacing the term child custody with allocation of parental responsibilities to emphasize the importance of shared decision-making and parenting time. This change in terminology reflects a shift towards a more nuanced understanding of parenting roles and responsibilities after divorce or separation. Here's an overview of how child custody works in Illinois. Allocation of parental responsibilities. Instead of the traditional term custody and visitation, Illinois law now talks about allocating parental responsibility. This includes both significant decision-making responsibilities and parenting time. Number 2, significant decision-making responsibilities. This refers to a parent's authority to make important decisions on behalf of the child. Significant decision-making can be allocated to one or both parents regarding the following aspects of a child's life. Number 1, education. This includes decisions about where the child attends school, tutoring, special education services, and any other educational choices. Number 2, healthcare. This involves choices regarding medical, dental, and psychological care, including decisions about doctors, treatments, and therapies. Number 3, religion. This pertains to the determination about the child's religious upbringing and practices. Number 4, extracurricular activities. This deals with the choices about what, if any, extracurricular activities the child will participate in, such as sports, clubs, and lessons. The court can allocate these decision-making responsibilities based on the child's best interests, which may result in both parents sharing these responsibilities or one parent having sole authority in certain areas. Given the complexities and the high stakes involved in matters of parental responsibilities, it is often advisable for individuals to seek legal representation to ensure that their rights and their child's best interests are adequately protected. If you need assistance, call our office now.